today we are making a small story about Srikant Bolla. Okay, we will start it now. Guys, do you know about Srikant Bolla?
Yes, I have heard about success story of Srikant Bolla. He's from school background.
Yes, I also heard about him.
Okay, when he born with without vision. So his father thought to bury him, but after that he felt like it is it is very bad thing, and he brought him home. And he joined him in a school. In school there is a teacher. She took better care about Srikant than all other children, and then he became very good student in overall school. After 10th, he wanted to join in science, but at that time there is no they are not giving this science team to the visibly person. So he went to court, and he brought this. You watched the movie?
Yes, recently I watched it from the Netflix series. There is a true success story from the Srikant Bolla. A true inspiring stories from the poverty background. This is inspirational to so many disability person. After he completing from MIT from foreign, he returned back to the India. He started with industry, Bollam industry. He gave multiple opportunities to so many employees like disability person. He became so much.
Do you know anything about Srikant Bolla?
Yes, I know some facts, unknown facts about Srikant Bolla. That after he completed his 10th class, he wanted to join in science, but he is rejected from that science because of his blindly disabled. So he wants compulsory that admission in science, but he has rejected. So he had filed a case in the court, and he fight for that case, and he got the permission.
Some more points about him. He is being supported by Ratan Tata and Narayan Murthy in his early days. When he returned back from MIT, he faced a lot of issues in starting his business here. You all know that how tough it is to start business in India, right?
Yes, I also read about that how the Srikant Bolla met Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata also support Srikant Bolla to develop entrepreneurship in India to success entrepreneur among the disability person overall in India.
Yes, I have heard about starting of his industry. He has took more about loans from his partners and from bank, but finally he can't pay the loan back, and he's facing more problems for repaying his loan, and finally he's managed, and he's repaid his loan, and finally the industry has become successful, and he can supply the papers all over India, and he's a truly inspired person for us.
Okay, I also heard about this thing. I think lot of other people can't achieve all these things, studying in MIT and challenging the courts to join in science field. These all are inspirational for every.
In Srikant movie, the man battles against the clutches of poverty, focusing on his relentless journey to uplift himself and his family from hardship they face. Throughout the movie, he explores the various ways to overcome poverty, that is, entrepreneurship, education, and perseverance. His encounters with corrupt systems, societal expectations, and personal failure depict the harsh reality of poverty.
As my friends told, Srikant Bolla's story is truly inspiring us, and he born blind in a small village, Andhra Pradesh. He faced many challenges but never gave up. With the help of his family support, he became a successful business owner. He started Bollant Industries, which makes eco-friendly products and hires many disabled peoples. And his life shows us that with the determination and support we can overcome any challenge.